Hi, I'm Rick Harmon, and if you're a real estate agent or a broker dealing with anybody who's inherited property inside of California that's intending to sell, I've made a few videos for you that you may find useful. Some insights, nothing legal, nothing technical, but a few things that you may find easier to make your job much smoother and your seller's transaction to go much faster and smoother along the way. If you're an agent or broker and you don't want to go down to the courthouse to find potential listings for sellers of probate estate property, the easier way to go is to use a website called Findprobate.com. They make it really, really easy. Subscription-based, very affordable, and so you can start by looking at your farm, looking at the criteria of properties that you want to sell, and you might even combine this with other matters that are going on that are external. But you can actually use Findprobate geographically to create a match that's going to suit your potential buyers that you want to work with, and as well as sellers who have certain type of property characteristics. For example, you're looking for multi-million-dollar properties, and while most probate estates are not multi-million-dollar properties, you will see them occasionally. And at the low end, of course, properties that are real simple to make great rental property. So by doing it that way, you can select the geographic areas you want. You can use by creating a name search, because if you know the court, if you ever tried to look at a court system for a particular probate, you have to, at least the California courts, you have to know the case name and the case reference number in order to find a particular probate, as well as being able to get the documents. Findprobate has actually got around that problem by building a database that's really searchable. And I think that they have most of the major courts. California, this is a state with 58 counties, and I think they have at least 20 of the main courts that you're going to be finding opportunities for. I understand they are going national too, which is great. I am not a part of it. I don't participate in that, so there's no money in it for me, just so you know where the money goes. In fact, I don't really have anything to sell you, and I don't have any courses, and I don't do mentoring. But what I want you to consider is using some of these resources like Findprobate as a way to start building your list. So I suggest that you use the site to start creating your short lists and find open probates as they are, and then get comfortable with the ones that may be exactly in your target market. If you're trying to do everything to everybody, you'll end up doing 100% of zero, or zero of 100%. Basically, it's not going to put any money in your pocket. So we'll talk about marketing in one of the next videos. Hey, this is Rick Harmon from CloseProbate.com. Hope you got something useful out of this video. If you want more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you're at it, subscribe to my weekly blog, Rick's Rants, at rickharmon.com. Look forward to seeing you on the other side.